Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are going to discuss unit conversion. It is one of the topics sometimes which is easy, but sometimes students are afraid of it, and basically they are not afraid. They are sure that they can handle, but on the way they make some mistakes and it is damaging and it can damage your score. So therefore we must be careful while converting unit or system of unit from one system to another system. We must be careful, and what the most matters is something called unit factor. Unit factor, what I call it, unit factor. From where it comes that for example we know that 100 meter equals not 100 meter, 1000 meters equals 1 kilometer. So these are two things in different numerical values, but these two numbers are measuring the same length or same distance. So we can say 1000 meter when divided by 1 kilometer. What it means? It means one unity. It means same thing is being divided, just it is written in different notation and not more than that. So even we can say if we divide 1 kilometer by 1000 meter, then what we get? We will get this one. Now suppose we have 0.75 kilometer and we are asked to convert it into meter, then we can multiply it with 1. It does not make any difference. And what we want and to convert it into meter, we don't want kilometer. So 0.75 kilometer, and is this one can be written as 1 kilometer by 1000 meter or 1000 meter by 1 kilometer. What we should choose? We should choose one of the two which cancel this kilometer, and this kilometer will be cancelled if we take this one, 1000 meter by 1 kilometer. So value of 1 we can put 1000 meter divided by 1 kilometer. Why? Because we don't want kilometer, and this kilometer will be cancelled only if we have another kilometer in the denominator. Now let us see what happens. This kilometer get cancelled and we are left with 0.75 into 1000 meter. Let us multiply it. 0.75 into 1000, it becomes 750 meter. That's our answer in meter. It is easy, isn't it? Now take another example. If we want to convert 30 meters into kilometer, what we should do? We just need unit factor. We can write 30 meter into 1. It does not make any difference at all, because we can multiply anything with 1 without changing it. So this one, again we have two options to use, whether this ratio or this ratio, and both are same, but we don't want meter here, so we choose that ratio which cancels this meter, and obviously that will be 1 kilometer by 1000 meter. So we can write it like this: 30 into 1 kilometer, 30 meter, 1 kilometer divided by 1000 meter. Now meter gets cancelled. We are left with 30 divided by 1000, and if we cancel 1 0 and we divide, we get 0.03 kilometer. That's so simple, that's so easy in converting. So there is not only unit factor in meter and kilometer, there could be anything. For example, 1000 centimeter cube, 1000 centimeter cube equals 1000 ml, and obviously 1 centimeter cube becomes 1 ml, so there is no problem at all. And if we take 1000 gram, it is 1 kg. Again we can have unit factor. So this is the basic thing in conversion of units. One more thing, 1 hour equals 60 minutes. Most of the time students even confuse in converting hour into minute and minute into hour. In their mind they know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So whenever we are converting an hour into minutes, we will have some more numbers because minute is smaller. An hour contains 60 minutes, so 2 hours will contain 120. But when on paper they are solving, they just make mistakes, they are confused, they don't know whether to divide or multiply. In that scenario, this method can come and save us. How? Just we have unit factor 1 hour divided by 60 minute equals 1, or even we can write it 60 minute divided by 1 hour. That's it. Now if we want to convert 15 minutes into hour, what we do? We just multiply it with 1. Now we want to select one of these two factors, unit factor, and this must be in such a way that we do not have minute. So we will take that factor which has minute in its denominator, and we can write it as 15 minute to 1 hour by 60 minute, and minute cancels 15 into 15 by 60, 15 by 60 hour, 1 by 4 hour. That is so easy. So if you are confused and you don't understand, or you are not sure whether it should be division or multiplication, just use unit factor and you will get a surprise, and you will be shocked how easily and confidentially you can solve your unit conversions. I will deal more with unit conversions and some advanced unit conversions, for example speed and velocity and acceleration, but in other class.